Recently, to improve album sales, many artists have started to lie about what they own, what they do, and who they are.
As a kid I could've sworn everything a rapper said was the truth, cause NWA had guns in the booth. Ice-T really pimped holes in the suit. Rakim was got a slick Rick, wasn't scared to shoot. Nowadays artists lie in they rhymes. Niggas tap dancing to their grave like Gregory Hines. I figured great minds like me and Crooked Eyes. Old rappers shines like the South did the NY. The lyric godfathers smash through your window and strangle your ass to death with your car charger. We the last monsters cooking Chino, cause niggas try to decipher the flows like the Da Vinci Code. They say we finna explode now on the pop side. Rap gave birth to you, it's time I get a tubes tied. I've been in the cut like hydrogen peroxide. Music business making me cry like when Proof died. Lyric Jesus been nailed to the cross. Make some real moves, take your tap shoes off. Dog, what you gonna do to me? You ain't even from the hood, nigga, you from a gated community.
They tap dancers, man, they tap dancers. Ask for the truth, there's no straight answers.
How many guns you got?
None.
How many people you shot?
None.
You ain't advancing, you tap dancing.
Tap dancers, man, they tap